Hi everyone, here we've got UMIDIGI A9 and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So firstly we have to enter the camera app, obviously, and now make sure that you're on the photo mode, and then we can enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner. As you can see, on the second position we've got self timer, so simply tap on it, and here we've got actually 3 options to choose from. Now we've got disabled, applied, but we can also set 3 or 10 seconds delay. So let me pick, for example, 10 seconds delay. As you can see, I've just tapped on it and it immediately changed, so we can go back to the camera and simply tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will take a photo. Okay, let's quickly check the other options. So 3 seconds and the same situation, but now it is counting down from 3. After turning it off again, you can see that from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your UMIDIGI A9. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.